Question number 166. In the flow chart given below, identify the structure X and hormone marked Y with respect to male reproductive system. Pituitary gland leads to interstitial cell stimulating hormone or ICSH, which is Leydig hormone, and it is also responsible for the secretion of FSH hormone, which is follicle stimulating hormone. This interstitial cell stimulating hormone acts on Leydig cells to produce androgens, whereas follicle stimulating hormone acts on fertilized cells to secrete some factors which help in process of spermiogenesis. So the correct answer to this question is X represents Leydig cells and Y represents FSH. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 167. How many number of sperms are produced from 6 primary spermatocytes during spermatogenesis? 1 primary spermatocyte produces 4 sperms. So therefore, 6 primary spermatocytes will produce 6 into 4, 24 sperms. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2, that is 24. So the correct answer is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 168. Read the following statements and choose the correct one. The very first statement says, fetus shows movement only after the 8th month of pregnancy. And this is an incorrect option because fetus shows movement from 5th month of pregnancy and not 8th month of pregnancy. The next statement says embryo's heart starts beating within 10 days of implantation is also an incorrect statement because embryo's heart starts beating after 1st month of pregnancy. The next statement says HPL and HCG are ovarian hormones which help in parturition is an incorrect statement because these hormones are placental hormones and not ovarian hormones. The last statement says signal for parturition comes from fully developed fetus and placenta is a correct statement. So this is a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 169. Non-medicated intrauterine device IUD is. Options given are LNG20, lipase loop, progestasert and copper T. The correct answer to this question is option number 2. Lipase loop is an inert IUD. Whereas option number 1 LNG20 and option number 3 progestasert are incorrect options because these are hormonal IUDs. Whereas copper T is an incorrect option because it is a copper containing intrauterine device. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 170. Match the column 1 with column 2 and choose the correct option. In column 1, the very first option given is Hugo de Vries. Hugo de Vries proposed the term saltation, which are single large sudden directionless mutations. So A in column 1 matches with the fourth option in column 2. The next option in column 1 is Hardy-Weinberg. According to Hardy-Weinberg principle, P square plus Q square plus 2PQ equals to 1. So B matches with third option in column 2. Third option is Charles Darwin, and Charles Darwin matches with the second option in column 2, that is natural selection. So C matches with the second option in column 2 and the last option in column 1 is Thomas Malthus. Thomas Malthus matches with assay on population. So D matches with first option in column 1. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3, A with 4, B with 3, C with 2 and D with 1. So the correct answer is option 3.